Hey everyone, good afternoon. Here to tell you a little bit about a snack that I love. I've been purchasing Nature's Path Organic Toaster Pastries. When I first discovered them back in, I want to say it was over the summer, maybe like August or something, I saw on the shelf in the grocery store that they were like less fat and they were organic and stuff. Then they were less fat than the regular Pop-Tarts. So I'm like, all right, I got to try these out. So first I tried the blueberry ones. I was very happy. I love them. I think blueberry continues to be my favorite, but I tried cherry pomegranate and berry strawberry since then, and they are absolutely delicious. So these are frosted berry strawberry toaster pastries with real organic fruit. They come with 6 tarts in a box. The net weight is 11 ounces or 317 grams. They are non-GMO, project verified. They are trade certified and USDA Organic. So I like that the box has like those fresh strawberries on the box, and then this is what the Pop-Tart looks like. It has the delicious frosted filling inside. I don't know why, but for some reason, I don't know if it's my toaster. I just have like your regular standard pop-up toaster. Like the filling always gets really moist and everything, but then like the top sometimes gets a little bit burnt, like a little bit brown. I don't know. Maybe I have to put them on less. I usually put my toaster on like 2 or 3 minutes. Maybe I have to put it on like a little bit less in order to kind of stop that from happening. But yeah, so it doesn't matter because it's like it still tastes good. It's just that the frosting will get like a little bit brown, but still absolutely delicious. So if that doesn't bother you, you're good to go. So the frosted berry strawberry toaster pastries are real organic fruit. They're absolutely delicious, way better than having Pop-Tarts. So let me read the ingredients to you guys. Ingredients: wheat flour, cane sugar, invert cane syrup, palm oil, apples, whole wheat flour, cornstarch, vital wheat gluten, dextrose, strawberries, strawberry flavor, rice starch, sea salt leavening, baking soda, cream of tartar, tapioca starch, honey, molasses, citric acid colored with betalains, paprika extracts from plants, vanilla flavor, algin, sodium citrate, monocalcium phosphate, whey protein concentrate, milk, organic, and contains wheat and milk. Cane sugar and burnt cane syrup, molasses, honey, and vanilla treated in compliance with fair trade standards, a total 36%. Visit www.info.fairtrade.net for more information. Our 100% certified sustainable palm oil is always ethically sourced. Learn more at www.naturespath.com/healthyfoods/ingredients/palm oil. And they are vegetarian, which is perfect because so am I. Nutrition facts: serving size 1 pastry, 52 grams, servings per container 6, amount per serving, calories 210, calories from fat 35, total fat 4 grams, 6% daily value, saturated fat 2 grams, 10% daily value, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 140 milligrams, 6% daily value, total carbohydrate 39 grams, 13% daily value, dietary fiber 1 gram, sugars 19 grams, protein 3 grams, 2% calcium, vitamin C 0%, iron 8%. So it doesn't really have anything substantial that you need in it, maybe besides the wheat, which you need whole grains to get through the day, but they're definitely just like a less fat snack and better for you than Pop-Tarts, and I think it's definitely something that is better for your kids, and you could feel better about eating yourself. So I think for that aspect, it's wonderful. And then Nature's Path Foods Incorporated is in Blaine, Washington, 98230, product of the USA. This product is third-party certified organic by Quality Assurance International QAI. And then here on the back, we're so happy our paths have crossed. Was it the trail of sweet strawberries and touch of honey that led you here? Maybe you were looking for a tasty treat when you came upon real organic fruit and deliciously toasted pastry, which is my case. Or did you just want a quick snack? Whatever your reason for winding up on Nature's Path, we're glad you did. Strawberry plus honey equals Let us know how your journey is going and how we can make it better. We'll see you on the path. How about snack time sometime tomorrow? They are on Twitter, Facebook, and naturespath.com. Non-GMO, real organic fruit, certified organic. The top is very easy to open. say you've got to go out on a limb sometimes because that's where the food is. Well, Roger's very cute. And then the pockets come in these little packs. As you can see, I really like them, and I'm on my last pack right now. Nature's Path Organic. This is a little light aluminum foil that's very easy to open. I just take both my hands and just break the top part off, and they come right out. Very simple, and then easy to pack right up here. Okay. Say, growing up on an organic farm, I learned a lot about caring for the land and the importance of good stewardship. As my father Rupert used to say, always leave the earth better than you found it. Those wise words flavor everything we do here at Nature's Path. Aaron Stevens, founder and garden keeper. Deliciously organic and naturally flavored. They have real fruit and whole grain content. Enjoy them straight from the package or warmed in the toaster. Heating directions, they give you the toaster style for optimal method. Remove wrapper and place your Nature's Path Organic Toaster Pastry in toaster on light or lowest heat setting. Allow toaster pastry to cool before handling. Then they have the microwave style, but I don't prefer this method because I feel like it makes it like a little bit mushy, and I just like the toaster style a lot better. Microwave style, remove toaster pastry from its foil pouch and microwave on high for 10 seconds. Allow toaster pastry to cool before handling. Caution, frosting and filling can become very hot and cause burns after being heated. Be sure to allow for adequate cooling time before handling and eating. Use lowest settings on toasters and never leave your toaster or microwave unattended while heating due to the chance of smoke and fire. Children should be supervised while heating pastries. So this little thing on the back says 100% recycled paperboard. So it's recyclable, and then this part is always hard to see. Quality assurance is the middle, and then it's kosher. So I thank you guys so much for watching the video, showing all the sides so you guys could see. And I hope you guys try out Nature's Path Organic Frosted Berry Strawberry Toaster Pastries. I hope you love them. I hope you found the video useful, and I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.